Hello everyone, I am Apurva of class 7 from Shamford Futuristic School, Saharanpur, and the topic of my presentation is multiplicative properties of integers. There are four multiplicative properties of integers: commutative property, associative property, property of multiplicative identity, distributive property. First is commutative property. When two numbers are multiplied together, the product is the same regardless of the order of the multiplicants. It means that if we multiply two numbers a and b, if we multiply a to b or b to a, the answer will be same. Next is associative property. When three or more numbers are multiplied, the product is the same regardless of the grouping of the numbers. It means that if we multiply a into b and place them in bracket and c outside, and if we multiply b into c and a outside, the answer will be same. Next is property of multiplicative identity. The product of any number and 1 is that number. It means that if we multiply any number with 1, the answer will be that number itself. Next is distributive property. The sum of two numbers times the third number is equal to the sum of each attendant time. Third number, for example, 4 into 6 plus 3 or 6 into 3 or 4 into 6 or 4 into 3. It means that if there are three numbers a, b and c, a into b plus c or a into b plus a into c is equal. Thank you and have a nice day.